couple before the actual wine toasting. Come on.
Yeah, I want to toast this celebration for my sister Kay. For how many years she found someone to be with forever and for the rest of her life. And I know her struggles and when they started their relationship. So Carl, I hope you will take good care of my sister, and of course, as well as my sister, I hope you will take good care of each other and love each other. And yeah, I hope God will bless you more. Yeah.
I want to toast this wine for my longtime friend, my best friend, Carl. Tigsanaw lang ni siya sa una sa akong mga post. So karon, ingat ko nga maunahan pa ko nimo, so wala din ko napapaan yun. So I hope karon sa inyong couple naman mo, sa inyong life as couple na untag successful o mas fruitful o joyous ang inyong panaguban. Kabalang ko nga mag-alaga din sa isa't isa. So yun lang, and God bless. More years to come sa inyo.
At sa lahat po ng mga may baso dyan, ma'am, sa our principal sponsors, you have your wines with you. O sa tanang mga lamin sa sir, ma'am, anything, any liquid soda or beverage, please share si Camille first and Noel. Wala pa po. Dito muna tayo. Wala na, hindi na kailangan tumayo pa, no? Para hindi na tayo, hindi na kayo mapagod. Let us all raise our glasses. Pakitaas lang po ng mga baso ninyo, and anyone please join us with your imaginary glasses or cups with you. Kauban ang couple. And of course, for the best friend, Noel, and the sister, Camille, Botay, the couple. Ito po, let me help you with this one. To love!